Hello, my name is Mitya and you are watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial in which I will demonstrate how to enhance your high frequencies using the Spectral Resonator effect. As is the case with the other segments of the frequency spectrum, the high part is subject to manipulation and processing in a variety of ways. There are numerous techniques of enhancing or smoothing high-frequency sounds such as hi-hats or shakers, and one interesting and rather creative approach is the use of the Spectral Resonator effect. I'll show you how to use it on your track in the following tutorial. As is customary, I prepared a short sequence in our SoundBridge DAW that contains most of the major elements of the full mix with the shaker sounds on which I'm going to apply the Spectral Resonator effect. Let's take a listen. Let's take a listen to the shaker without any processing. For this task, I used Melda Productions' M Transformer plugin. Here's how the shaker now sounds after I set the parameters which I explain in detail in the blog article. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.